Is there a way to remotely disable Lost Beats headphones?
Hey there! Welcome to our video where we'll discuss whether there is a way to remotely disable Lost Beats headphones. Losing your headphones can be frustrating, but fortunately, there are some measures you can take to protect your device and personal data. So, let's dive right in and explore the options.
Find my iPhone, iPad, Mac.
If you have lost your Beats headphones and they were connected to an Apple device, such as an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, you can use the Find My feature to locate, play a sound on, or even remotely lock your headphones. This feature is available through the Find My app or website, and it allows you to track the last known location of your devices, including your Beats headphones if they were connected to your Apple account.
Contacting Apple support.
If your Beats headphones are lost and you believe there is a risk of someone else using them or accessing your personal data, it's advisable to reach out to Apple support. They can assist you in disabling the headphones or unlinking them from your account. Apple support has the expertise and resources to guide you through the necessary steps and provide further assistance based on your specific situation.
Local law enforcement.
In more severe cases, where you suspect theft or a higher risk to your personal safety, it is recommended to report the incident to your local law enforcement agency. They can guide you through the appropriate legal actions and potentially assist in the recovery of your lost Beats headphones. Losing your Beats headphones can be a hassle, but there are options available to protect your device and personal data. Remember, if you have an Apple device, using the Find My feature can help you locate or remotely lock your headphones. Additionally, contacting Apple support can provide you with expert guidance and assistance in disabling your lost headphones. In more serious situations, involving law enforcement can be beneficial to ensure your safety and potentially aid in the recovery process. Stay safe, and we hope this video has provided you with helpful information.